overtook their fathers, you poisoned their food. Survivors crawl, writhe in pain as they're bathed in black and rain. War because their leaders wanted more. Never forget what this war has wrought, or how men learned to open the box, or who learned to break the atomic bombs and burn this world with atomic bombs.